Hey, bro. How I get suspended for going live on TikTok, my nigga? I ain't even do shit, bro. What the fuck? Unruly. Bro, how did I just get banned from going live on TikTok, my nigga? That's some hoe ass shit. That's some hoe ass shit, bro. My mama, nigga. On my mama, nigga. My stop loss too tight right here, bro. If I do it, what this can I go 30 pips? Then we gonna go 30. Then we gonna go 30, 30, and 30 chat. Not gonna lie. You got clean range to fill down here though, bro. Like I think we got even a more clean range to fill down here. All right, let me pull everything up, bro. How'd I go? How'd I get banned from going live on TikTok though, bro? Like actually, what the fuck did I do? Did I say the N word? Probably did. I need my phone and shit all the way over there. Fuck. I'll listen this. Let's send an announcement out to the Discord. Mm-mm. 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 Fuck my nigga. I don't know. Let's just do that. Uh, let's copy and send it to the NLT. To the NLT tab. Chanel. Bell. Wow. All right, this is my number one pair right now. We're gonna redo everything else though. Where my top go? Damn, here we go. Is my mic on, bro? Has my mic been on this whole time? Mic check. Yeah, been on this whole time, bro. I'm snapping not to rip me also. I'm a favorite nigga. Let your baby mama take a picture. I'm the type of baby that's gonna fuck the babysitter, pull up on the shoulder with the laughing at these eating niggas. Bring that 40, I would never let the angels hit him. Why can't I pull up my fucking YouTube dashboard, bro? Creator dashboard. Hello? There we go. YouTube studio. Here we go. I think I did it. Content. Live. There we go. Bow. Details, customization, analytics, copyright. No. YouTube channel. All right. I think we should be good. So this was the NAS 100 for yesterday. Let's redo the chart. Clear. Oh no. Let's put that back. No, we need to lock our positions. Let's clear and leave our dispositions. Start off on a daily time frame. Looking at NAS 100. We are actually. I should do my EU breakdown because I'm already in this trade, right? Let's do the EU breakdown first. Not gonna come my chart already because, yeah. Daily time frame overall bullish. Overall bullish on daily time frame. As you can see, we're making clear higher highs and higher lows. Going to the 4-hour time frame. Our 4-hour time frame is indeed bearish. Reason being, when we're making higher highs and higher lows up here, we have price eventually coming down, taking out this low. This is where we shift bearish. Then we have a lower low, a lower high, and a new lower low right over here, breaking below this whole level of support with a 4-hour closure. Right. So our 4-hour is bearish. So I'm trading counter trend to the daily time frame, but it is pro trend to the 4-hour and the 1-hour. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we are bearish as well. We were bullish back over here when price gave us this market structure shift. I was looking at this break and retest buy. This break and retest was too aggressive, so I avoided a potential loss area, potential loss here by not trading off this retest. The price didn't eventually came all the way down. If I'm talking too fast, let me know. Eventually came all the way down to take out this low here, where our 1-hour decided to shift bearish. Now you see we have a lower low, a lower high, and a new lower low. Okay. Now we have our 1-hour bearish as well. And we have a break and retest back inside this previous level of support here. Well, it was support down here. Now I'm looking to this level to hold as resistance. Now let's get to the 5-minute time frame where I decided to enter. Look, on a 5-minute time frame, I need my 5-minute structures to have a structure on a retest. That way I actually get a trade. Looking at this 5-minute structure, we have a look, higher high, higher low, equal highs. Looking at this equal highs, I basically looking to enter as price come down and break this low. I end up getting a filled at this position right over here, and at this price right over here. I wanted to do a 20 pip stop loss at first, just having to right above this high. But at the same time, I don't want to be too aggressive. Price being able to pull back into this area, still reject this whole entire zone and continue down. I think this stop loss is too aggressive at 20 pips. I decided to go 30 pips instead, with a stop loss being above my confirmation candle. If this was my confirmation candle, this is my confirmation candle here, meaning this is the candle that did close below the range. I do expect price to hold above this area. Price could come up here and continue down and still make this trade still valid. And having a stop loss too tight with me taking a loss right here, hope a trade to still potentially continue down. So instead, being though I'm more of a conservative trader, I'd rather have stop loss above this 1-hour high instead, which is relatively close to delete the damn level, bitch. Relatively close to this lower high here with this lower low, lower high, and a new lower low. So I like this stop loss better. I think this is what invalidates my trade. for my direction buyers being overall bearish, and I do think this level could hold, being as though we have a break and retest, and I'm looking for a trend continuation. Also, with this 4-hour closure, not only do we have a 4-hour closure that is also below this level as an added time frame confluence. Bro, I can't delete shit. All right, as an added time frame confluence, this 4-hour candlestick closure here, we do have a weak rejection candlestick here. So we do have a bearish engulfing. This 4-hour candle barely engulfing the previous 4-hour candle. Our follow-up candle after that candle created a aggressive top wick. Let me know that this level is a strong rejection area, and I'm looking for price to continue down and bearishly engulf this previous low right over here. So that's what I think could happen in this next 4 hours on this candlestick. Hopefully I will be at my first TP level, or at least halfway there down here, which is all the way down here. So that's the 4-hour time frame, and that's the overall Euro USD trade. But if I lose this trade, I will be taking a recovery trade like I normally do. Actually, I won't, because this will be my third loss of the week. I already took 2 losses this week. So if I lose this trade, I'm done for the week. Looking on NAS 100 on the daily time frame, just yesterday's trade. Look on the daily time frame, we have some equal highs all the way up here, right? That's equal highs, our higher low. Our daily is in fact bullish. Look on our 4-hour time frame, our 4-hour is bullish as well. Price gave us a market structure shift here where we went bullish, and now we just have this 4-hour fib play. From this push to this push, you can even draw it from here like this fib low rejection, or if you want to draw it from here, you can draw it like this fib low rejection as well. But this is indeed a 4-hour fib play. Our daily is bullish, 4 hours bullish. This is just a counter trend retracement to over higher time frame being bullish. Looking at our 1 hour time frame, our 1 hour time frame is bearish though. So again, I wouldn't want to buy while the 1 hour is still bearish. In order for me to buy, I need to wait for our 1 hour to shift bullish. And where does that happen at? Above our most recent lower high on the 1 hour time frame. Looking at our 1 hour time frame, we have higher high, higher low, equal highs, lower low, breaking below this low here, lower high, new lower low. If I just move this line and put it up here to where you look at the line structure and not the overall candlesticks, you would look at this and say this is bearish, and this is just a direct representation of this price action. So our 1 hour is bearish as well. Price made a new low as we broke and closed below this low here. Now we have this level of support down here on the 1 hour time frame. Looking left, we have previous rejections here and previous rejections here. Our resistance level that we are looking at is this level right over here. And still we have previous rejections here, previous rejection here. This was a fake out, a retest, a fib level of continuation. Now we have another break, retest for potential continuation. This is a counter trend sell. This sell could play out, but I won't be taking it just because it's counter trend and I'm already in EU. But I'm going to put this on a chart just to see how this counter trend trade actually plays out. Based off of the pro trend trade idea, I do think buys could come into play, being as though it is pro trend. But first for that to happen, the 1 hour has to shift bullish first. This is the top of this overall range. Where does the 1 hour shift bullish? Above this lower high right over here. This is my most recent lower high, and we're bullish above this area. But this range is too tight. I don't like this range to actually take a trade in. This range is too small. I really don't want to trade inside this range, and it's too choppy. You already have too many rejections inside this area, so I don't want to trade inside that range. Even if price give me a closure above this range, it'll probably give me a closure somewhere like right here or so, meaning though it's pulling above, and that shrinks the range. Even if it get a deeper closure, it still shrinks the range for potential profits. Right? Say we get a top wick like right here and end up closing here, entry still wouldn't be to up here, which and still shrinks the range. So it's not the range I want to trade in. I'd rather trade into it. I'd rather trade in a better range with cleaner price action. Price action above this area is not that clean, so I'd rather take buys above this area. Very simple. So because this is not something I'm interested in trading, I don't need to have this at the top of my watch list. We can just drag this all the way to the bottom because I'm not trading that anyway. Let's go back to EU to see what my trade looks like. It's a little bit of drawdown, which is fine, not really tripping. Let's look at Euro JPY. Let's redo this chart. This was a trade I took yesterday. I ended up losing on. As you see, price ended up giving me a hell shifting direction, so I was wrong about the direction of bias here, which is fine. Let's delete all my drawings and restart. Same thing I do on any other chart. Daily time frame over aggressively bearish. We have a clear high up here with no real high or low. Be bullish, not bearish. Looking at a 4-hour time frame, clearly bullish as well. We just made this previous high, this new higher high right over here. This is my most recent higher low that created that previous high, and then this is that created that current high, and then we have this level right here as my previous high. So we broke out of this range, and now we created a new range right over here. We had a breakout, no retest. As you see, we got quarters above this wicks right over here, but no retest. But this is also a 4-hour fib play, drawing the fib from the lowest point to the highest point. We also sitting at 50% of a fib level retracement, where we did have a doji pin bar kind of setup, and then a massive bullish engulf. Could see some buys coming in here. So our daily time frame is bullish, and our 1-hour time frame is bullish. Not our 1-hour time frame. Our 1-hour time frame is going bullish. But our daily and our 4-hour, Oliver, can you look at GBP and ZD? Yeah, I got you right after this. Our daily time frame and our 4-hour time frame are both bullish. Our 1-hour time frame is going bullish. Looking at our 1-hour structure, we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, and we're getting a potential reversal if price can break and close above these highs right over here, where I will be open to taking buys. Let's draw this out at the level of resistance. Looking at price previously rejected this area. We have break and retest all inside this area right over here, where we have break, retest, continuation, retest, continuation, right? So this is a strong level of resistance in this case. So I will be open to taking a buy, break and retest back above this area, then look to trade to the top of this range, which should be all the way up here in the 1-hour time frame. So we need to see some 1-hour closures above here. I do like this trade idea. If price wants to pull back first before giving me a break and retest, I will be open to taking this as well. No big deal. You said GBP and ZD, Oliver. I got you. Let's go GBP and ZD. Go Alonda. Did I do a breakdown on this before for somebody else? I think I said sells below here. Okay, yeah, this trade was fire. This trade was some gas. I don't know who I gave this trade to a while ago. Last month. Break and retest below here. Got a break, a retest, break, rejection, continuation. That played out. I said break and retest below here. Got a break, a retest, continuation. That was some gas. And I said break and retest above here. Oh my God. This is a 3 for 3. Holy shit. I didn't take none of those though. But that was some good analysis right over there. Looking at GBP and ZD on the dip. Let me know if I'm talking too fast. Let me know. I just said it already. Look on a daily time frame. We're overall bullish, right? We have a shift in structure here where this looks disgusting. It's fucked up. We're overall bullish. We have a shift in direction here where we went bullish, and now I'm looking at it like a higher low, higher high, higher low, right? That's how I'm looking at it. We do have this rejection all the way up here. We do have the bottom of this range being right here. We have a mid-level here as well. Overall consolidation. It's fucked though. This is a choppy ass range. I really don't want to trade. I really wouldn't want to trade inside this range. But based off our daily bias, we are bullish. Right into the 4-hour time frame. Looking at our 4-hour time frame, we are bearish. We have a structure shift here where we went bullish with lower low, lower high, lower low. This is where we went bullish. Now look at this bullish price action. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal highs. A shift here going bearish. Price took out this low. So our 4-hour is bearish inside this range. And I will use this as a whole entire level right here. So 4-hour is bearish. Go to the 1-hour time frame. Our 1-hour time frame is bearish as well. We're just in a retracement phase of overall bearish trend. We did close below this low here. And price never gave me a retest, so you can look to take some sells as price pull back into this area right over here. Let's measure this pullback with a fib as well. Start off from the top of a push to the bottom of the push. So you could sell here, or if it gets a deeper retracement, probably get some sells up here, projecting off of this fib. But I like these sells. Then as price is pulling back into that area, you will want to see structure form on a 5-minute time frame inside this pullback, where you have clear higher highs and higher lows. Then you can take a sell as price give you a market structure shift, meaning we're just shifted from bullish structure to bearish structure, stop loss above the high. Then you look to target this previous low right over here, or which is also this level of support down here. This is a nice trade idea. Only thing I don't like about the trade is the daily time frame, but I do like the 4 hour and the 1 hour and how the 5 minute setting up. Looking at the 5 minute now, you have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low for this kind of play. That's what I think about GBP and ZD. I hope that made sense. So look at gold. Where I did UJ already. Look at the 1 hour. Okay, yeah, I did UJ. Waiting for hourly candle to close above this area. Let's go back to EU. See how we looking. Still in some drawdown. No big deal. Get our 4 hour time frame gold. This was the gold trade that we took earlier in the week with this gold sell for hitting about a 1 to 3.4 risk reward. Then we had a gold sell right over here that ran up for about 1 to 1. Then we end up having a break even trade off of this, which was fine, no big deal. This was another trade that ran for about a 1 to 2 for this break and retest. But we're gonna clear chart start low. No, we all know I don't delete my positions. So let's lock this and clear chart. That way we lock our position still on there, so I can use it as a reference for in the future. All right. Looking at the daily time frame. Thank you, no problem, Oliver. Looking at the daily time frame on gold, we are overall bearish. We're creating higher highs and higher lows here on the daily time frame. We have a structure shift here where the daily went bearish. Now we have a lower low, lower high for potential trend continuation. Our daily is bearish. We're in between this high and this low. This is our daily range. Go to our 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is bearish as well. As you can see, price took out this lower high right over here. Now you see we have clear lower lows and lower highs here. This is my most recent lower high on the 4 hour time frame. This is my most recent lower low here on a 4 hour time frame. This is now our new 4 hour range. And let's go to our 1 hour time frame. Look, on our 1 hour time frame, we are bullish. What did I say the 4 hour was? Bearish. Okay, yeah. So ideally, I wouldn't want to buy until our 4 hour goes bullish, and that doesn't happen until price goes above this lower high right over here. So break and retest above here for potential buys. I don't want to buy while the 1 hour is. I won't want to buy while the 4 hour is still bearish. Now let's look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame was bearish, as you can see from these trades that we previously took. We have a lower low, a lower high, a new lower low right back over here. We have a shift in structure here where we decided where the market structure shift from bearish structure to bullish structure on this 1 hour time frame. Now also we see we have a higher high, a higher low, a new higher high. This is my most recent level of support. This is my most recent level of resistance that price just broke above for potential trend continuation. Not a trend continuation according to the 1 hour time frame. But even though our daily is bearish, our 4 hour is bearish, I wouldn't want to try to fade those higher time frames just to take the inner structure buy. Right, these buys could play out for this break and retest. We already have to break out. Now we're just looking for the retest, but this is a riskier trade. So because it's risky, I would annotate this as a dotted line. Let me know that this is a risky trade. As far as sales, being pro trend, I wouldn't want to sell at a 1 hour. It's still bullish, so I have to wait for the 1 hour to go bearish, and that doesn't happen until price closed back below this previous higher low on this 1 hour time frame, where we have some pro trend sales below here. So that's how I come up with that. Pro trend sell below here, pro trend buys above here, counter trend higher time frame, risky buys off of this area. Look at the 5 minute time frame. Looking at the 5 minute time frame, you can look at it like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Price gave you a shift in structure here going bearish. And now you can have a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and set a buy stop at the break of this high right up here. Stop loss below this low down here. And then you can look to target our next level of resistance, which is all the way up here, where price struggled to break through. For about a 1 to 1.3 risk reward. If price decides to come down even further, re-break this low, create a lower high, create a new low, then you can get a better entry being down here, a tighter stop loss, and a better risk to reward. if price doesn't do all of that, and instead we just get a new lower low here, you can just trail your entry, and then if we break it as high, you can trail your entry from up here to about right here, still getting a better entry with a better risk to reward to trade inside this range. But that is not a trade I am open to taking because it is counter trend, and I don't not want to take that risky position, being though I already took 2 losses on a week. Based off of how I trade, I only take at max 3 losses on a week, and I'm already 2 losses in. So just to protect my capital, I'm only looking for the high quality trades, not the counter trend ones, just because I know I only have 1 more loss to spare. Can you go back to NAS on the 1 hour and mark the resistance zones? Yeah, I got you, Alex. NAS 1 hour. NAS 1 hour. So this is the current range on NAS. We have the start of our overall bearish push. Oh, this is 50 minute. At the start of our overall bearish push at 22,886 for NAS 100. Our bottom of that push is down here at 22,72. This is our current level of resistance, our current level of support in this overall range. But you do have a mid-level sitting here where we have previous rejections off of this level of support, this level of resistance, this level of resistance as well. This is a strong level where price have held previously. Looking to the left, you see we had this left shoulder hit, right shoulder break, retest, continuation. So this is a valid level that got respected. That's why it's still marked up here. I'm anticipating that price could reject off of the Z area at 22,805, 22,810, 22,815, somewhere around here. I'm anticipating this level could get tapped into. Just trading here is counter trend to the overall direction, being 4 hour and daily are still bullish. If you are a future trader and you trade M&Q instead of NAS 100, it will look really identical, being though this is the same level right over here, just the price point is a little bit different. So let's make this smaller right over here. Okay. Market is overall bearish, just waiting on resistance to get touched. No, market is overall bullish, but bearish is counter trend. The 1 hour time frame is bearish, but the overall market is bullish. Each time frame has its own direction. Some time frames are in sync with each other. Each time frame has its own direction. So looking at the 1 hour time frame is bearish because we have clear lower low, lower high, lower low. Right? So this 1 hour time frame is bearish. So we are making new lows. But as you can see, if I go to the 4 hour time frame, this is not bearish. This now looks bullish. Reason being is because we have lower low, lower high, lower low right over here. Now we have a higher high, meaning this is bullish. Look at this bullish structure. We have higher high, higher low, higher high. Technically, this is still bullish until we reclaim this low. This is just a bearish retracement, or a 1 hour quote unquote retracement of an overall bullish trend. The 4 hour is still bullish until price can come down and reclaim this low. Your clean sells or your pro trend sells will be below this area. But sells here is a little bit premature to the higher time frames. Now, I'm not saying that this sell can't play out. This sell could play out, right? But it's important to know the probability, because trading is a probability game. The probability of these sells to play out are less likely compared to this one, just because our higher time frames are still bullish at this area. You're taking a counter trend trade on the higher time frames, but it is pro trend to the lower time frame. So if you are specifically a scalper and you're just looking for intersection volume, this could be your intersection trade. This could be the move of London session, right? But again, this is still counter trend to the higher time frame. Market overall bearish is waiting on resistance to get touched. Is the 1 hour the highest you go for top-down analysis if you're sniping? Yeah, I would say if I was sniping, like more so scalper, instead of using the daily 4 hour and 1 hour, I would use the 1 hour, 15 minute and 5 minute, or the 1 hour, 15 minute and 1 minute, like that. So if I was using it, like if I was a scalper, I would go 1 hour bearish. I said I wouldn't have used the 15 minute. Maybe I would go 5 minute. Well, 5 minute, 15 minute look damn near the same, right? So I will go 1 hour bearish, 15-minute bearish below this low here. Then I'll go 5-minute for a potential entry, and it will be off of, I will adjust this line to here where we have this break and retest, meaning the price is already there. Then I will do 1 minute for entry. Looking at this 1 minute structure, you have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal highs, a shift. The shift happened back here. This was the trade as far as 1 minute time frame. So here's stop loss above these highs. Then you can look to target these lows down here if seeing if price could reject off of this area. Or you have a mid level sitting right here where price could reject. Or this one down here. So these will be your targets. Target for 1 to 3 risk reward here, 1 to 4, almost 1 to 5 here, and then 1 to 8 risk reward here as a scalper. If you don't want to use the 1 minute, you think that's too low of a time frame, you can still stick to the 5 minute, and you wouldn't get an entry until price closes below this level of support here. So your sell on a 5 minute time frame will be the break and retest of this structure here where you have a sell. Then you can do stop loss above the level. Then you could use these same exact targets with a 1 to 1.5 here, 1 to 2.6 here, and a 1 to 5 risk reward here. Nah, I don't care about how many times that area gets touched. I don't count the touches at all. I draw my support resistance based off of higher highs and higher lows, and looking to see if that is a turning point in price. So, and I do them on a 1 hour specifically. But if you're the lower time frame trader, you can use the 15. If you use like more so of a scalper and not really focus on the directional bias, but the intercession volume, intercession bias, you can look to draw your zones off of the 15-minute or 5-minute. But let's go back to the 5-minute. I will mark off, I do the highest body to the lowest wick of a turning point in price. So if this wasn't here, I will look at this highest body to this highest wick and mark off that whole zone. Because I always tell people, wicks are rejections, candlestick closures are confirmations. So if it's a wick, that lets me know that that whole area is getting rejected and not just the top part of that wick or not just the mid level of that wick. This whole entire area is what's getting rejected. I will mark this whole thing off. And same thing down here. I will use the highest body of that rejection candle to the lowest wick, which would be this lowest wick down here. And that's how I track price. And then I look left to see how that lines up with the previous structure. But I don't really care about how many times that area gets touched or tapped into. It could just be one rejection off of it, fall out here. My break and retest will make it a second. The breakout, the retest after a breakout will make it 2 touches. But if I care, do I really count the touches? No, I don't. I just need one turning point in price off of that level. And then I'll look left to see how that level lines up. I got syrup on my monitor, bro. I'm fat as fuck. I was eating pancakes the other day, but how the fuck did I get syrup on my monitor screen, bro? I just noticed that shit. Let's continue on. So, damn, gold just start fucking flying. Didn't I just do breakdown on this like 2 seconds ago, my nigga? How the fuck that shit just go? This shit was just like right here. Is this one minute candle? No, this is like, bro, this 1 5-minute candle right here was crazy. But based off of this gold entry, your entry would have been at the break of this lower high. And that would have been my buy stop entry here, stop loss below this low. And my first target would have been the top of this range. Let's look at EU. Am I getting cooked right now? But that bar was aggressive as fuck. Was it not? Yeah, I'm in some drawdown. I'm not getting cooked, but I am in some drawdown. We're still respecting this level though, so not too worried. Look at GBPCHF. This was a break-even trade. This was a break-even trade as well. Let's clear my charts. Start over. Wait, did I delete my positions? No, go back, chat. We all know I don't delete my positions. I just delete the charts, the drawings. I keep the positions. Okay, I didn't delete them. Let's remove them. Okay, bet. Start off on a daily time frame. Daily is overall bearish. See, making clear lower lows and lower highs with this price action here. This was the push that created this new lower low where we decided to go bearish. Our daily is bearish. We're in between this low right over here. This is my most recent lower high confirmed right up here. And this is a potential lower high right here. Go to the 4-hour time frame. This is our current 4-hour range. Our daily is bearish. And in our 4-hour time frame, we are bearish as well. We created some equal highs right over here. We have a market structure shift here. The 4-hour decided to continue bearish. And we have a lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a retracement phase of overall bearish trend. Right? So our 4-hour is bearish as long as we stay below this wick right up here. And this is our previous low. Go down to the 1-hour time frame. In our 1-hour time frame, we are still bearish. We just have bullish internal structure. Our bullish internal structure will be higher high, higher low, higher high. I would want to take sales. I really wouldn't want to take buys. And as far as taking sales, I wouldn't take them until price come down and reclaim this low, which is all the way down here. I think this is a high probability trade. Trading up here is in between the indecision level. And as far as buys, I wouldn't want to buy until the 4-hour goes bullish. And that doesn't happen until price re-break this high up here. So this will be just kind of break and retest buy. Break and retest buy up here. Break and retest sell below here. But based off where price is currently at, this consolidation, this is indecision. I don't want to trade inside this range at all. I would rather trade below here where we have clean candles to fill to the left hand side, or above here we have clean candles to fill to the left hand side. That's not really my favorites though. So I'm not really looking to trade 8 gold, or not really looking to trade GBP yet. Let's continue. GBP JPY. Daily time frame. This was a trade. This is a trade back here that I lost to start the week. Monday, my first day of the week, I got cooked here. Low-key mad. I low-key was mad as fuck that I lost this trade. Just for the simple fact that I was right about the direction. My timing was just a little bit off. But I got cooked on this trade. This trade would have made me a nasty runner. Like, look how far this fucking trade ran. If I'd have took partials at a 1-to-1 and then held a fat ass runner and waited to get stopped out, I would have been floating at a whopping 1-to-9 risk reward off of this trade at these highs all the way up here. I eventually would have got taken out as price took out this low right here because I would have trailed stop loss eventually as price make new higher highs and higher lows. I would have got trailed right here, or I probably would have scaled out full by then. As price created these equal highs and took out this low, I probably would get out here actually. But I would have been up a nice 1-to-9 risk reward if I didn't get fucking cooked right here, which is sad as fuck. But whatever, it happens, bro. That's the last time I traded GJ. So let's clear my chart and start all over. Looking at our daily time frame, we're overall bullish. We make a new high right over here. This is my current high that we are above. This is my current high or low. This is the previous high. Go down to the 4-hour time frame. Our 4-hour time frame is indeed bullish as well. Again, this is my current high up here. This is my previous high or low. This is my previous high. We might be looking like this is a previous high or low, but in reality, this is not a previous high or low because this push did not re-break a high to confirm this to be a high or low. This is just a retracement. Price could just form internal structure, reclaim this low, lower high, lower low, and then continue up. That just doesn't mean this is bear structure. This is just, that just means this is internal structure. There you go. I had a fucking brain fart. This is just internal structure. Internal bear structure to overall bullish trend. So our 4-hour is bullish. Our daily is bullish as well. So go look at our 1-hour. Our 1-hour is bearish. So would I want to buy while the 1-hour is still bearish? No. Looking at our 1-hour time frame, we have lower low, lower high, lower low, or equal lows. A shift here where we went bullish. All right, now that we're bullish above this area, if you want to take a counter trend trade to the higher time frames, but post frame to the lower time frames, you can take this break and retest buys. You have clean candles to the left hand side to fill to trade back to the top of this range. This is high risky trade. This is a risky position just because it is counter trend to the 4-hour and a daily. but it still could play out. As far as me though, I wouldn't want to take that buy. I would rather look for sales. Being as though the higher time frames are still bearish, meaning the daily and the 4 hour are still bearish. But I don't want to sell just yet. I need confirmations to sell. I need 1 hour to shift bearish first. Or does that happen that once price reclaim these lows all the way down here? So we can ignore this mid level. This mid level is too choppy. I wouldn't want to react off of that. I would need price to close below this level of support all the way over here. Let's look left to see how this level hold up. Too choppy right over here. I wouldn't want to trade off of that one as well. So we just simply adjust it even more and use this one down here. So I would look to sell below here. This is way far away from current price. So this is definitely not something I'm going to be watching at all today. But these buys could play out, but they are just counter trend. So I'm not looking to trade that. Let's move it to the bottom. Let's move that to the bottom. GPCHF, let's move that to the bottom. AUDUSD, let's look at that. Didn't do a breakdown here yet. Daily time frame, same as well. Remove, reset chart. Daily overall bullish. I'm not gonna go into much detail like I've been doing this whole time. I'm just gonna speed run it. Daily overall bullish, you have a higher high, a higher low. Looking at a 4 hour time frame, our 4 hour is bullish as well. We're just breaking above these highs all the way up here. Price is looking like it's struggling in this area. This is my most recent higher low. Go to the 1 hour time frame. But on the 1 hour time frame, this is my most recent higher previous high. They have a current high right over here. It gave us this break and retest potential entry that already started to play out. We have a bottom of a range right over here where we have previous projections here for another break retest continuation, and then we have this range all the way down here. Okay, let's make this a little bit wider actually. Okay, so our daily is bullish, 4 hours is bullish, our 1 hour is bullish as well. We already had a break and retest. Buying now, it's too late, the move already started. So our next buying opportunity could potentially be if we re-break these highs all the way up here for this break and retest. And this break and retest is approaching to the higher time frames. Outside of this range, we're trading all the way above this range. Then we can look left to see a potential target. Our immediate highs is already ran, so we got to look even more left for potential target. Looking more left on a 1 hour time frame, we have this clean price action right over to the left hand side. We can look to see if price can come all the way up here and take out these highs, and we have this mid level here to make note of. And then we also have one here, so we could take some reset chart. We take some buys above this area. You can look to target this high and this high. I do like that. We're gonna leave this in our top 3. Okay, US 30. Ooh, okay, the US 30 might be looking good. This was US 30 chart from yesterday. Let's redo it though, just to make sure I have the same understanding that I had yesterday. Looking at the daily time frame, overall aggressively bullish. We have this higher high right over here, our previous higher low, our previous higher high. Looking at our 4 hour time frame, our 4 hour did go bearish back here, but then we went bullish again as price reclaimed this high. We have a higher high, higher low, and new higher high. Daily is bullish, 4 hours bullish. Looking at a 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame is bullish as well. We have a break and closure above this area of support. We have 1 hour closing back inside the range. I'm looking at this like a bullish breakout, a bearish fake out for a bullish continuation. That's what I'm thinking. If I draw my fib from the lowest point to the highest point of this overall push, we have a fib level retracement. Now I will be looking to take a buy based off of 5-minute structure shift. 5 minutes doesn't really have no structure to the downside to even take a structure shift to go bullish. You only have bullish structure. So instead of taking that buy, I will wait for a 1 hour closure back above this area. So I think 1 hour closure back above this area could be good for some buys. Then we can look to target these highs all the way up here. This is definitely, I like this more than I like EJ. So we're gonna put this as my number 2 because I'm already in EU. US 30 will be my second option. And this is my watch. I don't even gotta do anything else. So I'm gonna focus on these 2 really. Well, these 3. AU is pretty far away from where I want to enter. So this more, AU is more so setting up for New York maybe, but these 3 will be my London second pairs. If I got any pairs in the chat that y'all want me to break down to give you my input, it could be anything. It could be ES, YM, MQ, or whatever. It could be stock. It could be anything. I will give you my price prediction where I think the market can go. As of now, I'm actively in this EU trade and I am in some drawdown. This is where I'll decide to take parcels off my position, close 50%, and I'll let the rest of the trade run. Go. Or did they go? Did he catch up? I was looking at gold buys off of this area, which was already played out, it already happened. So missed them. Our next potential gold area to trade off of would be above 33440. Above here, based off of price being in this inside this range. This range is too choppy for me to trade in, or don't want to trade inside that range. And then this move already started. I really wouldn't want to buy until price come all the way back up here, and that look like it's not going to happen until New York session. As far as sells, I wouldn't want to sell while the 1 hour is bullish or the 4 hour is bullish. So sells, I would sell below this previous higher low. I just got off. Yeah, I'm finna be just like you come Monday, bro. But for gold buys, I think the gold buys was here at this break recess that already started. So any buying now is just trying to FOMO into a move that already started to push. So our next position, my next potential position on gold will be above 3340 for buys. As far as sells, it will be below 3308. Anything else is at an indecision level or too late to trade. But this is the trade I'm actively in. We even look at this or US 30. US 30 bonds, we get a 1 hour closure above this wick here. And this is the trade I'm actively already in. We just want to see how this trade plays out. I didn't get my phone. You have the crib already, Kitty, or you on your way to the crib? How do you figure out why you get banned on TikTok Live? I got banned on TikTok Live, and I don't know how I got banned for. I don't know what I got banned for. Bro. So how do I figure that out, bro? I gotta check my email or some shit. Or is it in TikTok Studio? It's TikTok Studio. Let's go to lives. Live recordings, live events, post subscriptions. Nah, I'm trying to see why I'm banned for it, bro. I'm at the crib. You trying to hop on the Discord? I'm gonna hop on a call or what, y'all nigga? I check my TikTok email too. Shit like that, bro.
There.
Yo, I ain't never seen nigga answer the phone after the Discord call. This motherfucker fast. He showing off. Normally hear that shit ring up for 15 minutes.
You've been in these in these bars.
Bro, so I could go live off the fuck my phone. Why can't I go? Why didn't they let me go live off my PC then on TikTok? This shit pissed me off. Now for me to go TikTok live on TikTok on my PC, I gotta fucking what the call? Restart the YouTube live. I ain't doing all that. I'm finna just get my tripod to use my phone. Fuck it. Hold on, let me grab my tripod real quick, bro.
How everybody doing in the chat? Anybody in trades? Yeah, me too, man. I'm just chilling, watching gold. Oh. I definitely want want to hop in some buys. Probably gonna give it to about, I don't know. We might sit to London Open. Yeah, I was just looking at that.
What's good? What's good, Michael? Just looking, seeing if Nas will do anything. Hey, KD, bro. Guess what, gang?
Just no volume.
Guess what, gang? Still act like he don't hear me talking, bro. I'm finna smash this nigga.
Just not enough volume for me.
KD. KD.
Yo.
Guess what, bro?
What, bro?
I got a paper in the mail,
Can
bro.
you hear me, bro?
Yeah, I hear you.
I don't think you can hear me.
Yes, I hear you, dude.
Well, fix your mic, bro.
Nigga, you fix your mic. Hold on, let me see if my shit working. Nigga, my shit working. You fix your fucking mic, nigga. Mic check, mic check.
No, you don't, bro. You hear me through your stream, bro. Your stuff delayed. I've been said that.
No, you hear me through my stream, nigga. I'm replying to you immediately. What are you talking about? Mic check, mic check, mic check. Yes, bro. Yes, I hear. I hear. Bro, he's slow. He's actually slow. He hear me through my stream, not I hear you through my stream, idiot. I literally hear you on Discord. I don't hear my own stream playing in the background. I listen to myself talk.
No, you not, bro. I've been saying nay. You ain't said nothing.
Bro, you replying late. You reply late again.
Right now, you ain't replying.
I am replying.
You replying after I say it on your.
No, I'm not. This dude is slow. Hey Siri. FaceTime KD. Bro, you so dumb, bro. No, you dumb. Nigga. But my mic is moving in Discord. You got me muted in the Discord, dude. Yes, you do. You can hear me in the Discord? I do that. Dumbass nigga, I told you got me muted. He's stupid as fuck, bro. Got my fucking phone, dumbass nigga. Nigga stupid as shit.
Oh yeah, now I can hear you now.
Man, look at his dumbass talk now. I can hear you now. Talking about some, bro. You hear me through your own stream, bro. Your shit delayed. Late, why the legs of my tripod not opening up, bro? Fuck. Shit piss me off. There we go. There we go, chat. We might have cooked just now. Did you cook? I keep using my phone. My phone finna die. Man, fuck TikTok live, bro. My phone finna die. That shit on 10%.
You gonna stay up till London Open Day, or no?
Yeah. I'm gonna stay till like 3:30. Then I'm getting off the bitch. But I got a paper in the mail, gang. Gotta see that paper phone. Yeah, I know y'all can hear me, but he in the Discord acting like he can't hear me, bro. He an idiot. The whole time he had me muted, talking about something. You replying from my stream. You hella delayed. No, nigga, you hear me from my stream. You the one that's delayed. His ass be trolling. No, look, he still acting like he can't hear me, bro. He really feeling make me crash out. Hey, KD.
What's up, bro?
Guess what? I got a paper in the mail, bro.
Oh, I got a paper in the mail.
Guess what that paper was for?
For your ticket.
And they gotta go to court. July 29th. Man, they on some whole shit, bro. I said, man, if my PO don't leave me alone, bro, I'm trying to chill.
Yeah, bro. I'm saying,
I'm trying to
motherfuckers been
chill.
talking about that for about like 3 years, right?
Yeah, it feel like it down there. My PO trying to fuck up my chill, bro. They talking about something. Yeah, well, we checked back with your previous employer. It's been brought to our attention that you haven't been working. I said, hey, bro, leave me alone, bro. They're like, yeah, you got a court appearance. They ain't trolling them. They trying to make a nigga get back in the field, Chad. I ain't trying to get back in that field. I ain't trying to go. All I'm trying to do is trade, don't run the session, and play Fortnite all day. That's all nigga want to do. If that's too much to ask for, all I want to do is trade, don't run the session, and play Fortnite.
Man, bro, I ain't gonna lie. You know what don't look bad, bro?
What? What, bro?
Never mind.
What don't look bad, bro? What's here, bro? This risky nap position that I had marked up actually playing out. What a breakout on this risky sell that I had marked up, bro. What a breakout. Those below this low. Stop loss above these highs. Get some decent profit right now. But a 1-to-1. If anybody took that breakout in the chat, bro, or that risky sell that I had, shout out to you, bro.
I don't think we got no ballers in the chat like that. Got some ballers in the chat? Where the ballers at?
What you eating on? He freaky as hell talking about them balls. Streamlabs trolling, bro. I try to go live on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. That's just said you need to request permission to go live on TikTok. I click request permission to get my stream key to copy and paste it. That should say your live has been restricted. I go on TikTok, I go on live on my phone just now. It let me go live. How am I restricted on my computer, but I'm not restricted on? What's it called? Let them. Right? Let's see if Euro USD can follow NAS 100 and drop. Is this nigga in this live already, bro? That shit fast as fuck, ain't he? Follow me. What's running? Went to 1.2. These low down here. 1 to 1.4. These low down here would have been 1 to 2. 1 to 3.
I got a wick still.
1 to 3 right here. 1 to 4 way down here. This trade low key some gas. It was some risky gas, but it was some gas. We're feeling what? On gold?
Sales on gold.
I need you talking about gold.
Mm-hmm.
So one thing I don't like about this EU trade right now is that our 1 hour just closed and then our new 1 hour open with no top weight. So it's coming back down to my entry right now, but we don't got no top weight, so that's kind of cooked. I wanted to see a top weight first. If it just got a top weight first and then flip bearish, that'd have been cool. But it is what it is. Trust me, you get what you get. Yeah. Blessings and blessings with something with my niggas from the SIG. Look at what we did. Be quiet, I'm doing it. Talk.
Don't sing that shit back.
Shout out to my nigga Drake, man. That's my cousin. Hey Alex, that NAS dropping, bro. That shit dropped. Apply to the Logitech G522 Lightspeed campaign now. Look at the 4 hour time frame. Because the 4 hour candle is what I'm looking for to be a bearish engulfer. I need that 4 hour candle to bearish engulf the previous 4 hour. That's in the next 3 hours. I ain't gonna be in the chart that long though. I'm out this bitch in the next hour and a half. Oh my mom. I ain't finna sit here all day. Feel me? So I'm gonna sit here all day, just not on the chart. Niggas trying to play some Fortnite. I defeat you. Man, I'm falling for your love. I be dreaming. Well, let's make a YouTube short real quick. Make a YouTube short. All right, I just got executed in some NAS. Fuck, it's not even NAS. Let me start lower. 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm in these Euro USD sells. I got triggered back here. I experienced some drawdown now. I'm practically coming back to my entry. I'm looking at sales off of this 1 hour break retest at this previous area right over here. We got our breakout, a retest, a continuation, another retest. On our 5 minute time frame is where I decided to actually get filled. We have a higher high, higher low, equal highs. As price came down and closed below this lower high, I decided to take my sell entry, getting filled right about here. I have my stop loss about 30 pips, slightly above this previous hourly candle that gave me that confirmation breakout. And that's the trade idea. I'm looking to take partials at a 1-to-1, which would be all the way down here. But I'm overall looking to hold this trade for about a 1 to 2.6 to target these lows down here. Means that we have clean traffic to the left hand side, looking at this price action. Let's see how the rest of the trade run. I may be falling for your love. I be fiending. Let's look at a 15 minute time frame. We're gonna stay in a 15 minute. I ain't gonna keep going time frame. We're just gonna stay on a 15 minute. See how it goes. I need to get more recordings of just price action moving while I'm in the trade. So I can use that as content to talk over. Because if I don't, I be having to edit too much shit, bro. Fuck. I'm not recording that again. I'm about to say I gotta record it again so I can pause the music. Oh, fuck that shit, bro. I'm just gonna use it, bro. Fuck you.
Man, just imagine if we can get a fucking.
I wish my nigga Katie knew how to play chess so I could smack him up real quick.
Man. $32. $33. It's only one bounce here, so I think we could like here. It's- if we need-
How many of y'all in the chat remember the good old days? Not now. Nobody probably remember this stuff. Let me stop watching all this shit.
Well, about subir a helum beta kon.
Remember my boy quiet there, bro. He didn't stop by the stream today yet. When I could quiet. He probably just running late. I think yesterday he didn't come to the stream till about 3 a.m. Well, I forgot I said I'm gonna stop changing shit. I just can't help but see this why I like live streaming sometimes, bro. I just be clicking shit for no reason. I don't know why I just started clicking shit just now.
It definitely get like that.
I just started looking at US 30, EJ, and all. I started looking at other shit. In reality, I know them shit wasn't doing nothing. I just wanted to click something. And my ass hurting this damn chair. I know that's for sure. I'm gonna buy me an office chair. These gaming chairs ain't shit.
You funny as hell.
Nigga, I'm dead ass. Whoever told me gaming chairs was nigga when I was a kid, niggas telling me gaming chairs was good on YouTube, recommend this chair, and them niggas was all selling me dreams. Cause these gaming chairs look cool, nigga, but these shit's ass. I don't got enough ass for these chairs.
For real.
These chairs for the big motherfuckers that already got a lot of cushion back there, nigga. I'm skinning bones, nigga. This shit hurt. I might as well sit on the bar stool. This trade is taking a long time. We got no volume right now. I would thought prelim was gonna come in with some volume, right? We had an aggressive drop coming into prelim, but I guess the volume just decided to die out. I guess. But it's cool. Hopefully volume pick up during London Open in the next hour. But as of now, we got no volume.
We starting to get some structure on gold. Come on, man. Let's see what we're gonna get for London, man.
I ain't looking at gold, bro. He almost made me click that shit.
Don't look at it yet, bro. Oh, it ain't even worth it.
I ain't, bro. I ain't listening to you.
Now you actually should listen to me and don't look at it, man, for real. Just stay over there on Euro, man. Stay over there with them Europeans.
With them Europeans. People from Europe, not even European.
Them Euros.
People from Europe, not even European, though.
What are they?
No, they is European. I just play. I thought she was going to be like, I know. I want to say, yes, they is, dumbass nigga.
Yeah, it looked like we having a. I don't, bro. It's like, yeah, bro. This 4-hour candle so tricky, man. So tricky.
If it's tricky, stop looking at it, then, nigga. Duh.
Yeah, bro, that's all I'm do.
Duh, nigga. It ain't rocket science.
Yeah, bro. I ain't got a good read, bro. I've been drinking too much energy drink trying to stay.
All my screen just went black, bro. What the fuck? Man, my shit tweaking over here. My whole screen just went
The
black.
only way I'm gonna take sales, if I can get like a range 2 sell, I'd take it. But until then, we gonna stick with the buys and gold. Sales ain't looking the best.
I wish I could just fast forward time sometime, bro. Like if I can have a superpower, nigga, be any superpower in the world, it would be to speed up or rewind time. Cause right now I'll speed this motherfucker up. Now rewind time would be cheat code as fuck. I'm gonna fast forward that motherfucker. See where it go. I'm gonna rewind it back full port. Easy. Easy fucking money. Easy money glitch. If you could have a superpower, bro, what would it be, bro? Like actually. I would repeat living the same day over and over and over again, bro. Imagine I rob a bank in GTA, get caught, then rewind time and say, let's try it again. What's today? Today Friday. It's Friday, right? Oh, this is the last trade of the week. I just peeped.
Damn, it is Friday.
I forgot, bro. I'll play some chess on my phone, bro. Oh shit! I noticed my head wasn't even in the camera that whole time. Looking at Kitty Gold still. Nigga fell asleep, bro. He rookie.
Bro,
He's
watch your mouth, bro. I'm on the phone.
What you on the phone with, bro?
I really do this shit, bro.
I'm finna join your call.
I showed you how to do this shit.
I'm finna join this call.
I'm bad backing right now.
My God, look at them breaking retest buys that get on gold, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm already buy stopping it.
He don't got no buy stop set. Chat. He's lying out his teeth. He knows I'm gonna buy stop.
33.44.
He not gonna buy stop set, chat.
It just, man.
Damn, I should have took this GU sell. Fuck EU, GU bussin'.
It's always like that.
Man, GU bussin'. It's the same setup. This shit bussin' though.
Same setup and all.
Look at GU, chat. Same motherfucking setup. Breakout, retracement, re-break, retest, 5-minute structure. Low, higher high, higher low, equal highs. Shifting structure here would have gave me my entry. I'd have been sitting in some drawdown at first, but then we would have been in profit right now. Like 3 pips away from a 1-to-1. Easy, bust. But no, I'm in the same setup, but on EU. GU busting. That's 100 about to print some more sales. And that's 100 about to print some more sales below 22,790. 22,790 about to give some more, bro. That's what I'm taking, and I'm taking this on my mama. Fuck it, we over trading today, chat. We over trading today, chat. You get these, I'm getting these now, so they risky, but it's Friday. Fuck it. Counter trend Friday. Fuck it, bro. I'm not even joking either. This is not a fucking drill. This is not a drill.
Are you stupid?
Nigga, I'm taking it. This is not a fucking drill.
Take these breaking retest gold buys, man.
Nah, I'm taking these NASOs right now. Not a drill.
Come on, we in there together, bro.
NAS 100, not a drill.
NAS 100.
Stop loss at.
What you got? Break below the 30?
Nigga, market execute right now. Fill, order fill, nigga. Order fucking fill. Order fucking fill.
Oh, Oh, you crazy, man.
Stop loss said 22,817. Order fucking fill.
And he's a crazy man, Chad.
I'm in, chat. No cap. I'm in. Order fucking fill. We taking the risky setup today. Order fucking fill. It's Friday. Remember I said in the beginning, chat, I don't take risky trades until the end of the week. And I just noticed that was Friday not too long ago. So because it's Friday, we going out with a fucking bang. We already green on the week. If I lose this trade, so fucking what? Still green on the week. Order fucking fill. Nah. But these break and retest print, right? This should have been my ideal entry. For like I said before, with closure below this level. Market execute. These sales played out. Price gave us a pullback off of a 5-minute fib level, a fake out buys to break back below the range with a 5-minute bearish engulfing. Let's set up nice for sales. Also, on top of that, go to our 4-hour time frame. Guess what, chat? Our 4-hour candle opened up with no bottom wick, meaning it aggressively pushed up on that 4-hour open, just straight top wick. That lets me know that this 4-hour candle does have potential to flip, so I can sell on this 4-hour top wick alongside our 5-minute, already giving us a bearish structure with a 5-minute fib level retracement, anticipating that this 4-hour candlestick will flip bearish and break the previous candlestick low, being as though our previous candlestick had a massive big rejection weight to the upside. And this is just pure price action, bro. Understanding how candlesticks form in higher highs and higher lows. Also, even to add another added confluence on our 1-hour time frame, we have a doji candle at this break and retest area. Our follow-up candle gave us a massive bearish engulfing, letting us know that sellers are definitely in control on this 1-hour time frame. Stop loss is above that doji candlestick high, meaning if buyers regain control and break above this high, I no longer want to be in this trade. This is my invalidation area. Other than that, I do think this 4-hour candlestick could flip and break its own low and break the previous 4-hour low. And I'm looking to target the bottom of this range, which is all the way down here, for about a 1 to 3 risk to reward. Very nice. Not gonna lie. Nigga said, what we thinking? Sell stop? No, nigga, we thinking order fill. We are in 2 trades. Euro USD and NAS 100. This is our 2 trades for the day. If we lose either or of these trades, we're not taking another one. So it is what it is. Chuck, you get what you get. Blessings and blessings on lessons for me and my niggas from the 6. Look at what we did. Be quiet, I'm doing it, toes. Did I FOMO in this trade, chat? Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all think I FOMO in this? You think this is FOMO talking? What y'all think, chat? What y'all think? What you think, Kitty? You think this is a FOMO trade? That I'm scared of missing out on the sales that I already said I think could play out, and that I thought to see it played out on FOMO in this bitch. That's what you think I'm doing?
See, nah, bro, I agree, bro.
So you don't think this FOMO sells? If y'all think I'm FOMO in this bitch, chat, let me know, bro.
I mean, you got a 30.
Whether y'all let me know or not, if I'm FOMO in this bitch, I'm still taking it. But I just want to know what y'all think.
I mean, your hours still in resistance anyway, so. I mean, you know.
We're gonna delete this lower time frame mid level. I don't want to look at that no more.
It looked like maybe you might have to wait for this 15-30 minute candle.
I ain't waiting for shit, maybe nigga. Order fucking fill.
Maybe London. It's gonna happen.
Order fucking fill.
I'm waiting for a closure below 22.
Hey, chat, we in. We up $70, chat.
I hate this nigga.
Order fucking fill. You see about $8 in profit, chat. Order fucking fill. We in drawdown, chat. Order fucking. We didn't draw down $30, $50, $80, $90. Order, we didn't draw down $100. Order fucking. Come on, this weekend, bro. 200. Nah, I'm playing. We used to join that though. I'm not playing about that part. But no, it's not FOMO. This is a valid trade.
What you gotta tell yourself.
No, it's cool, bro. I was calculating risk.
It's all about W risk management, bro.
I was all about the risk management chat. It's cool. We ain't tripping, bro. We ain't tripping. We ain't Quakers over here. If y'all want to go find the Quakers, go in TTE chat. They got all the Quakers in there. This chat be tweaking in that motherfucker, bro.
Hey, them people be having me rolling. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. You know who got the funniest chat though?
Don't say Roger.
Oh God, Roger got the funniest chat, bro. And then the way he be talking to them be having me rolling. I wonder if he gonna stream London. He usually be up during London. See if he start his stream in 15 minutes. St. Louis, Drewski.
No, I'm just playing chat. It's not the FOMO, bro. It's only the second trade. I'm saying worst case scenario, we lose the trade, we're down at 1K. Worst case scenario, we lose EU trade too, we're down at 2K on the day. Still up on the week though. So, know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Trust me, you get what you get. How much we made yesterday? I think we secured about 2K probably yesterday. But this is just going, these losses is going to cancel the yesterday's profits out. Low key. Yesterday, 13 plus 8 is 21. Yesterday made about 2,200, bro. 2,200. 2,200. Even after I lost 1K. Oh, so actually we made 1,200 yesterday. Damn. Because I lost 1K first, then I made 2,200. So that's a net 12K. I mean, not 12K, net 1.2K. So if I lose both of these, it will be minus 800 for those 2 days. But we got that banger on EJ in the beginning of the week. And we got that banger on, what other trade did I catch this week? I took EJ buys, this was lost. I took EJ buys back here. I took these and that buys. What other trade did I take this week? Oh, gold. We had these gold sales this week and these gold sales. Yeah, we green as fuck. We green as fuck, chat. We green as fuck. You know I lose these 2 trades, we green as fuck on the week, bro. This would be 4 losses this week. Damn. All right, so I can't lose both of these. No, it's cool though, bro. It's cool though. Between these 2 positions total, we sent about $800 in drawdown. No big deal, bro. It happened, bro. It's cool. Everybody knows I get aggressive on Fridays. Just because I be like, fuck it. It's Friday anyway. This is what thing that got me tripping. This is what thing that got me tripping. No, that's what you listening to?
Yeah, you hear it?
No, you freaky as hell. Why you listening to this? I'm staying here to 3:30 though, chat. At 3:30, I don't give a fuck where my trade's at. I'm getting off the lot. I'm going to let the trade run and do what it do.
Ah, fuck.
What's his problem?
It's okay.
I want to lay down so bad, bro. If I could live straight and lay down, I would never end the stream. I just hate sitting in the chair. That's how you know my back fucked up.
Damn. Well, got 15 minutes.
Why you keep saying damn, bro? You quaking over there?
Oh, yeah.
What you in?
I ain't in nothing yet. I wanted to take sales on gold, but as I was trying to put in the order, that bitch flew down.
Gotta be quicker than that.
Like, fuck. Gotta be quicker. Should have market executed like you. And now it's already going for 1-to-1, bro. So sad, bro. So sad.
Gotta be quicker than that.
1-to-1 right in my face, bro. Crazy, bro. It's all right. London Open coming up. Maybe we could actually fill this 4-hour for the buys to go back up, because we just been running up. So I mean, we was thinking about sales since the beginning of the session, so that kind of just go with our plan. I'm sad we just missed this. We could have got in early as fuck though.
It's cool, bro. My nigga TTE gonna get you right.
Hell yeah. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I didn't pay that 150 next week, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
To get into what you calling? Clubhouse?
Just so I could trade with him during London and Asia. Cause my nigga really be getting iron, no cap. Bro, that nigga got over like 300 niggas in his fucking clubhouse, bro. Nigga, I'm gonna pass my fund. Bro. I ain't gonna lie. When I get in his shit, I'm buying a 150 account and I'm passing that bitch off his shit. No cap.
Nigga say that shit now.
Oh God, till I get in there, we gonna get the quaking.
You say that shit now, and then you gonna get in there, and then you gonna see that count, and you gonna say this look good, and start taking your own trades.
Like, oh my God. We get to do it. So nah. I'm gonna keep this account. I'm gonna keep my instant 5K. I'm gonna keep that like for me to trade on. But
yeah, it's gonna go good at first, and then you gonna see yourself winning on the 5K account. Then you can be like, man, I'm cooking right now. Let me take this on 150K.
Nah, bro,
Clapped up.
That's the clubhouse. That's the clubhouse. Oh God, next thing you know, my nigga TT gonna be like, all right, Kitty, let me see your chart, man. Let me see your, yeah. Be like, Nick, look at here, man. It's been a rough week. A lot of unexpectedsies. Bro, sometimes seeing shit like this make me just want to turn my computer off, bro. But then it's like, as soon as that bitch reject and go back up, then I'll be happy again. This shit really do fuck with your emotions. Whoever made this shit, they fucking, what do you call them people? Psychopaths. They fuck with people's brains.
That's why I need to stop smoking. He on some hot shit.
For real.
I'm ready to go to sleep. Like, my eyes closed right now.
Oh God, bro. I'm just ready to say fuck it. I just missed my quick sale, bro.
Wait, which shift you work?
I'm so through with this, bro.
What shift you work, bro?
Third.
Oh yeah. Third shift the worst fucking shift.
Man, bro.
Third shift ain't bad if your job got bitches though. I ain't lying.
And that's the thing, bro.
Cause all the bitches work third shift.
A whole bunch of Asians, bro, and Haitians.
If you in any kind of warehouse job and you work third shift and that joint got bitches, oh yeah, you good.
You would have thought I was in Korea.
Or if you have any kind of job that's overnight and it's like security, like where you dealing with other people and they got bitches, good.
Oh yeah, I ain't never. Security is crazy.
Nah, security was busting. Nigga, you had me, nigga.
ain't that where you was at the when you was in college?
Hell yeah.
You funny as fuck.
You was busting. I was in that motherfucker hitting them hoes down. I was going on break 3 o'clock in the morning to get my shit sucked up.
I'm not gonna lie, I might have a sales stop below here, y'all.
Oh my mom. Nigga, that overnight security on a college campus, nigga, that shit was lit. I was going on break getting my dick wet every fucking day.
1 hour, we got 2 nasty rejections here for the buys. So maybe we could say this is like a resistance right here. And we can go and fill this wick here on gold. Especially with the 4 hour being so bullish, if we break this low, we can just fly down. 5 minutes. Oh my God. We can wait 5 minutes.
Yeah. We got 5 minutes left in this hourly candle close, man. Let's see how we close. Let's look at EU. EU just consolidating, bro. Like it's just consolidating and drawdown. I don't give a fuck if shit consolidating profit. Consolidating and drawdown, I be like, damn, bro. Like, come the fuck on. Like, consolidate that TP1 or something. Let me take parcels off and then start consolidating. Don't consolidate while I'm just in the trade, my nigga. Fuck. Not cool chat. We ain't quicking. Ain't no quickers over here, but we do not support that quicking behavior. You feel me? No quickers allowed. This is a quicker free zone. If you click in the chat, you will be banned.
Yeah.
I'm about to be funding 280K when I'm past this challenge, bro. All I gotta do is pass it. Last challenge. All I need is 5%. Non-funded 280K.
Bro, this nigga funny as hell, bro. Why this nigga gonna text this girl talking about you bad as fuck? Let me fuck you for 300. And bro, you just see all the messages, and she ain't never replied to him. The first time he said that, she talking about okay, when with a question mark.
He finna either scam her. She finna scam that nigga, or she really out there putting them pussy lips on lock. GTA.
Man, that's crazy.
Oh, that is crazy. That sounds like some shit you would do, bro. Go ahead and let him knock that thing down for 300.
You crazy.
300 is crazy. You know how many fun account challenges that is?
Nah, you feel me though? Oh, baby, love me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, bro, Nate, I'm telling you, bro. These sales finna pop on gold, bro. Get ready, bro. 1 minute.
I hope so. Themselves gold should follow
I
gold.
mean, that, yeah, bro. You feel me? It's finna pop, bro. Just give it.
All right,
I ain't gonna lie. Low key, it could look, I'm not gonna lie. The way Nas setting up, I'm not gonna lie. The sales could low key start playing out right now, gang. No cap. Gold look like maybe this bitch just gonna fly the fuck down. Cause we just flew the fuck up. But Nas definitely look good for sales. A little bit. We got 1, 2 time frames telling us sell. 3. And it's going in trend with the daily. Nas don't look too bad. Oh my god, look at this resistance. I wish we could have broke below though. Market execution.
In my downfall, I hope we know that shit.
All right, Nate, we in the sales a little late, but 33.
My nigga Katie just called sales on gold, chat.
It's looking scary.
He quaking already. He just got in the position. Chat. Quaking already. Just got in the position.
Chill. Give it a minute, chat. It's gonna be live. Man, bro, I need to get that 5-second chart, bro. I'm getting them trades. Man, now I'm making a support, reject, support. Damn. I have to get out of here, chat. Oh. What are we gonna do? Nobody knows nothing. Nobody knows nothing, chat. I'm trying to sell right into.
Oh my God, look at that flip on the hourly. What a flip. And just go ahead, continue down, fuck nigga. Don't come back. Go ahead, keep it going.
Yeah, go do what he say. Say that again, they was listening to you.
Oh my God, look at that flip on the hourly, man. Go ahead, continue down. Don't even come back, bro. Keep on going.
Damn, it's crazy how you say that. That pit flip. My nigga, they got the juice. Let me find that shit. No way, going back up, right? No way.
I'm gonna make a montage of you quaking and send that shit to DGE. Like, hey, look at stick. No way to go back up, right? My nigga Drake say, I like my girls BBW. The ones that wanna fuck your job, the ones that wanna suck your job and eat some lunch with you.
Come on, there we go. Hourly flipping. What the fuck? They trolling me right now. They trolling with me right now, chat. No one want to go down, bro. They keep touching it, then going back up. What the hell? Oh, maybe because look at this hourly close, y'all. No, I mean we got a bottom week, but what the fuck is that? But look at this 4 hour though, man. It's like,
I got 30 more minutes in me, chat. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. I will be updating in the Discord about what I do with these trades, bro. As it's floating in profit or in drawdown. Well, I'm not gonna manage it in drawdown, to be honest. If it hits stop loss, it hits stop loss, nigga. But I will be letting you know what I do with this trade in profit, bro. In the Discord if I get off stream before we hit TB1. You know what I'm saying? That's it for real. Discord should be down in the description, man.
I might go a little smaller on this trade, man. It's looking like we rejecting 33, 31. Oh, hell no. Hell no, chat. Hell no.
Hey, quaking,
Can't
man.
even do it. We can't. Time to get the fuck up out of here. What do you mean? Right here.
There we go, Nas. We back to 200 in profit. I'm getting fucking cooked on EU though. I ain't gonna lie. EU's fucking cooking us.
Man, go cooking us right now.
Okay, our peak profit right here, 300 in profit, chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got a potential scaling down here. We got a potential scaling down here, chat. Potential scaling down here. If we get a 1 hour course below this level. Another break and retest. All right, I got filled on EU for a loss. Wait, what? I didn't even lose. What? I just get taken out. Oh, my dumb ass. I had the wrong stop loss placement. Fuck. Rookie mistake, Chad. I got taken out at 20 pips instead of 30. My dumb ass. What? It didn't even hit 20 pips. Close positions, EU. My exit price was 16889. 16889. Bro, it was 15 pips. I'm supposed to get filled at 30 pips. Fuck. That just pissed me off. Fuck it. Rookie mistake, bro. I had the wrong stop loss set. As in, like, the copy and paste number, bro. That's on me, but rookie mistake. It happens to the best of us, bro. Fuck it. It's cool. Take that loss on the chin, bro. Minus 1K. Minus 1K on EU, bro.
Yeah. Go want to troll. Want to put me in profit finally, and then want to go right the fuck back up, bro. It ain't looking too good for the sales, y'all. It's looking scary.
I think on this National 100 trade, I'm gonna get out at a 1-to-1. I'm gonna get out for a 1-to-1 just to recover that 1K loss that I just lost, because I shouldn't even lost that. Like, I shouldn't have got filled that early, and just end of the day break even, bro. That's the plan. I'm gonna close this National 100 at a break at a 1-to-1, just to recover my EU loss, and that's it. So where's my 1-to-1? Are we gonna copy and paste this for a 1-to-1 and just get filled full out on NAS 100? I'm gonna leave this here just to see how it plays out. I took a loss here. We're gonna take this loss in the chin, bro. But we deep in profit on NAS 100, so I ain't tripping. We about to get a 1-to-1. Well, let me actually put it on the chart so I can see it. 2645. 2645. Okay, we like about to hit a 1-to-1 like right now. Like, what the fuck? If it's not a
Man, we
partial
getting
out.
head fucking tapped.
Close. Cool. All right, we just hit our tick P on NAS 100. We're gonna close for here and just recover our previous loss on EU and just end the day at break even. I low-key don't want to close full. I want to hold this fucking runner and take partials, but I'm low-key salty as fuck that I got taken out too early on EU because I made a little minor mistake. But that's on me. It is what it is, bro. But because I'm being emotional and I'm mad at the fact that I just took that 1K loss when I shouldn't even have fucking lost because I had a bigger stop loss than that, I want to just close it and get off the fucking chart. So I'm out this trade, but I still want to see how the rest of the trade plays out. So I'm gonna have it still up on the screen.
Let's fucking go the fuck down. I just been floating minus fucking $10 in drawdown.
He sounds so depressed. Oh, I wish go the fuck down. It's cool. I ain't even mad at you because if I'd have lost this too on top of that EU loss, I would have been deported too.
Man, make me wish I would have took that motherfucking ass.
Let me on homies. This nigga said, yeah, I'm gonna take this with you, Nate. Don't worry about it. He said, matter of fact, I'll like go. Nigga didn't even take it with me, Chad.
I literally missed 2 plays, bro. I literally missed the sales on gold and sales on that, bro. That shit crazy. It's just time to go to bed, bro. Time to go to bed, bro.
It is time to go to bed. I got 15 minutes left in me. 15 minutes left in me, Chad. But if EU keep going up after I already got stopped out, right? I'm low-key not gonna be mad no more that I got taken out early. Cause it look like it wanna keep going up, but I already got taken out, bro.
Bro. Oh my god. This shit is stupid.
Damn, that's gone.
Hey.
What?
Hey, guess what?
What?
I'm on in that sales coach. We up to you.
I FOMO with them that self. Yo, nah. Nah,
We
bro.
finna make our loss back.
Come on, bro. We can't be FOMO like that, bro. Come on, bro. We supposed to be real.
Bro,
Supposed to
you
be real
did,
traders.
bro. I was sticking to my plan until you got my heart racing, man.
Nigga, I didn't tell you to FOMO to them Nash sales.
Hey, bro, we up $25 again. That big going.
Nah.
That big that way.
I didn't tell you to
Cause
FOMO in
look
them
at go,
sales.
that bitch going the fuck up, bro. Bro, gold is filling us, bro. Gold is going by crazy right now, bro. That's crazy.
They gotta not tell you to FOMO in themselves. Like, what?
Yes, you do.
How?
KD really just, oh my God, they is flying down, bro.
How did
I think it's a fat bitch that said on it.
How did I tell you to FOMO in themselves?
Hey, I'm glad I full ported too. I ain't gonna lie. Full port nation.
Nah. I done chill, bro. We supposed to be real live professional traders. You over here talking about you full ported and FOMO. You FOMO in it. You FOMO in on a position and full ported. Like how you just gonna do a double fucking whammy on unprofitable mistakes, bro?
Unfucking profitable, bro.
This is why you be blowing your account, bro. You do shit like this. You revenge traded the fuck out of that gold loss.
No, God, I did. Hey, bro, it worked. Take profits.
Ain't no it weren't. Nigga, you making bad habits, bro.
As long
like,
as
come on.
Profits,
we real profitable traders out here, gang. What would TTE say about that?
You gonna say, gang, what are you living for? You gonna say, who are you doing this for? I'm gonna say, I'm doing this for the black. What did I say? So it's like,
cancel out my access, put a line through that bitch. You ain't closed them bitches, did you? He quiet as fuck. Look. You didn't close them. Close the full port. FOMO trade. That shit get a range trade man. He over there quaking. Where you go, KD? Where you go? Don't get quiet now. Hey KD, you didn't close them bitches, did you?
Bro, hell nah, bro. Like,
full world FOMO trade. Getting late as fuck. Now that bitch getting the retracement.
Man, we gonna have to just wait till 8 o'clock, chat. 8 o'clock.
This is why you don't FOMO trade, chat. If you miss the trade, look for a different setup. He talking about I FOMO and I full port. We up $25. Look at the retracement. Look at the now. He get fucking good.
Maybe took they shit back.
You still holding or you got out already, bro?
I'm holding.
Yeah, he's finna get liquidated real quick.
Nah. Chill. If this bitch fly up, I'm out of here. Oh my god. Look at that rejection. That's crazy, bro. Yeah.
This
We
nigga
outta
funny
here,
as shit, Jack. He funny.
We didn't lost. Oh my god.
We were just
$40.
talking about FOMO. I literally said, hey, chat, do y'all think I FOMO in this position? This setup look nice. We'll do. Nah, that's not FOMO. This is actually a good setup. Right after that, he come in this bitch FOMO like, nah, fuck it. I'm taking it now. Nigga, I'm already hella pushing profit, bitch.
You feel me?
My TP already got hit. He thought about something. All right, we get in now.
My nigga crying. He said,
I said, we just hit TP. This nigga come out of nowhere. All right, let me take it. Let me take the trade down. I think it's going to continue down. Nigga, you late as shit, bitch.
Hey, chill. Hold on. We're going back down. Hold on. Might be back in this day.
No, you don't need to get back in it, bro. Just chill, bro. Take a breather. Come back next week. It's Friday, bitch.
Chill. We never got out, bro. We gotta, you feel me?
Just close that break even, bro. Just get out of the trade. You was late.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Hey, yo. I was early, though, bro.
No, you was late. You wasn't early as fuck. Nigga, you late. You got in after I already hit TP.
Bro, I'm saying, though, why I can't hit TP, though? I damn near. Hold on. Chill. Hold on, we might hit TP right here.
You mean entry? You might hit entry right here? Fuck. This bitch late as fuck.
Damn, bro. That's crazy how niggas get in, get out, and then play, bro. That shit crazy, bro.
I'm making this into a TikTok short. This is what you don't want to do, chat. For everybody watching on the TikTok, when this is a TikTok video, don't be this guy in the fucking Discord car getting clapped on gold shells, FOMO winning on a late ass position that you took while you already hitting TP. They tell us we up $25. Let's go. I'm full port. Nigga draw down. Talking about, oh shit.
Everything is frozen.
It's so funny. Wait till I send this to my nigga Aaron, bro. Aaron gonna be cracking up, bro. He gonna be cracking up. Oh, that was a good fucking laugh. I think that's a good way to end the night, chat. I'm out this hoe. A good way to end the night. Nigga's a fucking comedian, man.
Can't believe this shit, man.
Trade recap for today, chat. We got some EU sales at first. Our EU sales just completely got fucking cooked. I got taken out the EU sales for a loss, which is cool. I'm not tripping. While I was in this EU sell, I was also in the NAS 100 sell. I mean, I was in two positions at the same time. While I was in that NAS 100 sell, price came down to my first TP level, and I decided to close 4 just to secure what I already lost on the EU position. Being a break-even day, this trade, this NAS 100 sell recouped my EU loss. I was going to hold a runner, but instead, I'm just going to end the week here with these 2 trades and just go break even. I took 3 losses this whole week, which is my loss cap for how I do my risk management. And I'm going to end the week here, bro. I'm going to catch y'all next week. It's your boy Traderholic, and I'm out, chat. Peace. My camera, my chair just synced down. That's why my fucking face not in the camera anymore. All right, but I'm out, chat. Out of here. Peace. Hey, wait, hey. Hey, Katie, give a motivational message real quick to the YouTube chat, bro.
Motivational message, bro? All
Yeah.
right, bro, let me see. Look, Chad, this what you do. Lock in, gang. This right here can get you so far if you just lock in. Let me tell you something. Wait for closures, bro. I know it be looking good sometimes, bro, but you gotta wait for those closures. Closers tell you everything you need to know. If you want to buy, the candle gonna tell you to buy. If you want to sell, the candle gonna tell you to sell. Don't let your mind make up what the market's gonna do because it's you feel me, it's not stable, it's unpredictable. You never know what's gonna happen. So just pay attention to them candles and be patient, man. And don't let the market trick you, because one thing I realized doing this, the price always go back to the same place, bro. It always go back to the same place. So just
All right,
just be patient, man.
throw a little personal reference in there, like personal experience on what you experienced.
Man, personal experience, just waiting for them closers and paying attention to your zone. Respect your lines. You know, respect your zone. It's a reason you put them there.
Okay. Personal experience. Don't FOMO in the trade. You know what I'm saying? Even if you lost the previous trade.
Oh look. Oh yeah, and if you FOMO, look, just do not full port. You know what I'm saying? Just go in low risk if you feeling FOMO. I'm telling you, just do it. You learn so much. I'm telling you.
Just don't FOMO. How about that? How about fucking
It'll
just
make you
don't
feel so
FOMO?
much better. Even if you do FOMO, it'll make you feel good because at least you lose with a lower risk than you doing it. You know what I'm saying? Like you feeling like you Roger Casino.
All right. Whenever you lose a trade, knowing that your homeboy just told you he was taking a trade at the same time, but his trade looked good, but
He
you
ain't gonna
like yours
call it.
better, and yours end up losing. Don't FOMO in your homeboy trade after your homeboy trade already hit TP, right? Because that shit could retrace anytime. That shit could be a full on reversal after his TP get hit, and then go back to entry. And now look at you FOMO in at his TP, and now you get it cooked.
Cook.
Don't be full porting, chat. You don't want to full port, right? We want to build consistency. We're not revenge trading trying to make back our loss because we just got clapped up on a trade that we just took.
Or you know what I'm saying?
We're not doing that. You know what I'm saying? Don't revenge trade, bro. If you take another trade, take another trade because that setup looks nice, right? Because you like the setup overall. Don't take it because you're mad about the last loss you just took.
And your homeboy saying jump in.
And your homeboy saying jump in. Don't listen to that nigga, bro.
You never follow the Jones, man. You know that? Never follow the
Exactly.
Jones.
So when your homeboy taking the sell, knowing that he unprofitable, go ahead and take a buy.
Take a buy.
Right? That's the method, right? That's the fucking method. When I'm live trading, my nigga Katie joined the call and he said, "I'm looking at gold sales." Guess what I'm doing, chat? I'm fading his shit immediately. Immediately. I'm like, "Where you enter at?" He was like, "I entered just now to the sell." I'm gonna enter right where he at. I'm gonna say, "I'm gonna buy that hoe." I'm gonna say, "Hey, where your stop loss at?" He gonna say, "Oh, my stop loss 20 pips." I'm gonna be like, "All right, guess what? That's my take profit, Jack. Cause we know his ass for to get clapped up." Yeah, I'm fucking laughing, bro. I'm out this home.